from the village. That's where we grew up. So so that's home. Whoever know you, if you know, you know. So it was just like a street vibe type of song. It was. So,
but you know what I like about you? You come in for what you feel for, what you bring in your own song, your own lyrics. It's not about asking another person's opinion. It's you. Tell me a little bit about your inspiration. So you got the inspiration and you're inspired by what you see, what you see around you, or what's happening with you. What?
I inspired about especially a lot of stories that my father them used to tell me about, like how they used to be, how I used to be. I used to be on the street a lot. So there's those things I used to just take in, and like I ain't gonna publicly say all your names and stuff, but they're gonna be like, if you know what the situation is about, then you're gonna know. So it's like about things that were happening, what going on, me and my friends and whoever I know, my family, my cousins and stuff. So that's how the inspiration has come. I just late night go and just go write.
Yeah, man. Don't know what I am. Still remember the day that when your father let me show me your song. Like, what? I said, what, Judah? That big? I remember you.
And that was last year.
Remember? Small boy. Now look at you. You're taller than me. But it's nice. It's nice to see because, you know, just like old saying about Drake. Started from the bottom, now you're here. You know, so it's something big, and your inspiration, you're inspiring. All your songs you're coming up right now, it's you.
Yes.
How you do your stuff, and it's really big, and you got your style.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit what's coming up right now for Judah the Lion, because, you know, by the way, I don't know, I want to ask, because if somebody wants to buy a merch from you, because my friend, everybody asking for the shirt, when I'm wearing something from you, they're always asking where I buy it. So if they want to buy a merch, how they can reach with you too.
Boy, we still in the process of working on like a website to like put the clothes and all of the stuff on it.
It makes more easy.
Everything what you get in is like prototypes. So then to see after, like, okay, we're gonna put this on the website or not. You know?
Yeah.
So afterwards, like like when I come back again, we're gonna try and make sure to see if we got something ready for them to go and buy. But for now, I don't know.
It's just like exclusive right now.
You might have to catch us. You have to catch us and be like, okay, I want that shirt. Okay, then we're gonna tell you how.
So to people to follow you right now, because it's important. That's why I told you follow too. So we're gonna, like, people want to follow all your reels, your highlight and everything. Where they have to go, where they have to follow you, where you mostly on, so people that can see, hey, this is what's coming up right now. So
you can follow me on my social media handles. Them is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I just mostly be on Instagram though. That's like my main, like that's where I just be most of the time.
Yeah.
You can catch me on TikTok too. You can catch me here and there.
If they have to search you right now, where what?
Judah the Lion 17. That's it. That's it right there. That's
just click follow and
everything. That's what it is. So. Yeah, ain't gonna be hard to find.
No. I made mistakes to this day. I saw the video clip, man. Love it, man.
You like it?
Yeah, man. Nice, because it's you, man. It's you, and I like the vibe. I even told you, man, boy, this man do something like, I still remember how I still can't imagine how you do when you were sleeping, then the one riding. It's nice, man. It's nice how you put things in. So your ideas. I saw some creation of you too, making your new merch too.
Yeah.
And it's nice because you are into it.
Yeah. I have to be. If you're not into it, then why are you doing it for? So.
Yeah. So what's coming up next?
Next, we got.
You got
another song coming out called Lions Den.
Yeah.
That one is in the process of now, like, checking to see how we can get a music video for it, because this song is a real. You have to listen. This is a deep song. You got to actually listen to what I'm saying. So, getting the process of doing that, but for now we're just living in the moment, and we're happy with how Rumble going so far. Everybody liking it. So that's it.
Yeah, man. This is. It's like I was agree with the guy there from Colombia. I said because if you listen to the song, you ain't thinking about Aruba self, because you are on a high level. You understand what I mean? So your song it's really like outside
international.
It's international. So it's really nice what you're doing and the way you're doing it, and keep on your prospect that this is Judah the Lion.
Yeah.
This is how you do. I like the GTL. I like it. I love it.
Yeah, man. Hey, I've been having that. Judah the Lion was made from like since I was like small. So every time I would like if I'm in school, you know, I'm really paying attention in school. You're gonna be like, I'm gonna just do some art, JTL.
Yeah. But
that was all what it was all the time. So
I saw your number coming up right now in the car too. So yeah. Oh yeah.
I mind. I'm my brother one.
Nice one. You. Nice. But let me do this, man. What the next clip you didn't record it yet?
No, we didn't do that yet. No,
you have some ideas ready yet to do that, so you have.
Yeah.
Or we can recreate something new.
What do you mean recreate?
We can create something, you know. A lot of 101, no, other things that we can do. we can do the thing just the way you want it. Just mention all the things you want to put it in so we can make it happen, bro.
Okay, well then
so. But it's nice. It's nice because I know that sometimes we want to just be on the right side to the people to accept. And I said it many times, if we don't start accepting, no, we are just holding us back to be in the next big thing. You understand? So what I mean with that is that we got a lot of artists, man. We got a lot of artists. You understand? It's not about just one or two artists. No. Aruba has a lot. If we are watching Curacao and always said the things that, hey, look at this artist, look at this new upcoming artist. If we accept upcoming artists in Curacao, why we don't accept upcoming artists in Aruba? We live in Aruba. Curacao come to Aruba, it's always packed, all the event packed. And when we do something to ourselves, for ourselves, for our people, just let me highlight this. Look at this concert. They put 2 concerts in this year. Coming up with Monster Man. A guy that has a really, I know the past because, he's a friend of mine. I respect because when they said bad things about him, I said, listen, he respect me, I respect him. He's an artist, I respect the other artist. Look, they put a concert. I think it's more than 10,000 people. Look, the last one right now with Rich Kalash. A lot of people talking about this man, and they didn't want to accept it in Curacao. I know how it is. If we try to accept, because listen, we are not people just not to forget or forgive. We are here to forgive people because we always do. If it's something is wrong, we did something wrong. It could be big, it could be small, it's still wrong.
Yeah.
You understand? So now, look at Curacao. They put an urban party, pack, and it's not one. The same day they have like 8 parties, all the parties pack, and we are keep watching. And you know what hurt me the most? That we buy the flight ticket. We book a hotel. We buy the VIP ticket, and when we put the VIP ticket here in two places to come and buy, and the VIP tickets are 100 guilders.
Yeah, they're gonna complain.
I don't go into the 100 guilders. Oh, but you wanna you wanna pay 2,000 florins to go to the Curacao. I got nothing against Curacao because I love it. We don't meso rumang and the visa. But I mean the facts, if we don't see in our home, di nos meso casa, nos no wake cookie. Hey, we got another order. We got Reed Moril. We got you, Judah the Lion. We got Del Roy. We got Randall Leidens. We got Ellie the Million. If we don't promote those people, those artists, you guys to not be on stage and promoting you guys self, who's gonna accept then that we have more artists? Because you know what I said last 2 weeks ago. I was in Colombia, but they messaged me. They said, listen, you guys got the more urban artists in Aruba? I said, what? That's a question, or what you seeing right now? No, I mean the same 2 names always. I don't get it. No, we got a lot. So again, not against anybody. It's the truth. We have to fight. They have to accept it too. We got bands of reggae. We got a bands of reggae. We got Judo the Lion. We got Delroy. We got a lot of artists, man. Gas. So,
Young Mali lang with
Young
the
Mali,
tourists.
tour. It's not about commercialize. You understand? It's the respect for artists. But let me tell you something. You are big. Keep it up. When I tell you you're big because you're doing a good thing, and let me tell you when you're doing a good thing, that's a fact. People will be at your side. Judo de Lion, GTL. Maar dat is kort maar krachtig. Come in. Keep on doing your thing because we here 101 thing. No stay para promote bo. Come in, sakit ang bukas, no sa familia. Come in.
Sakit di tres ka ko kinang.
Keep it up. Like I said, and one question I had from Colombia already. When you gonna do a collab with your father?
Everybody asking the same question, boy.
Huh?
I know it's when he decided like, okay, bambutong go. Yeah.
Jeff, what happened? No,
he's still working. No, he's still working behind the scenes.
I know.
I know my father's songs more than I know mine. So.
And he knows you better.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a vice versa. But one thing, Judah, congrats on Rumble. Love it.
Thank you.
The idea, man, to be a master.
Shout out to Stay Tight Fit. Stacy Hassel lang.
Stacy Hassel, my brother.
To the boys lang. Yeah. Sorry?
Kom bij Gune?
Ja, no, I just be going by the gym there, so
yeah?
I'm tour dinang tour.
Hoe Stacy ba, my brother?
Si, na tuma party dinge clip kuko.
Nice.
Patuma dadanki na nang buye lang tama, buye na lagami.
Rigel.
Ala lagami din dinge ring. Yes, this.
Nice.
I see na sa pura no shots nang kikone this.
Pero met daarbij zorg pa in next big event, you in there. All right?
Yeah,
you're gonna be the man of the event.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, that for sure, man. Shout out to all the people here. By the way, meeting Damien Pinas being Jaluna.
Shout out to Damien Tames.
Damien Pinas being Jaluna. Sikami, it's nice. I gotta promote.
See, he said was in a video, and I'm in that video.
Yeah. So it's good, boy.
Yeah.
Rumble.
Yeah, Rumble.
And once again, congrats to all the family of Judo the Lion, full crew. Misako ting mash up in it. You want to say thanks to the people that be there for you from day one. So.
Oh, hello. Shout out to my father, my mother, Rude Boy, Keanu, all of them, whoever was a part of my thing and Vice, Claudius Phillips Jr., Javon, Aruba Bandit. So hello, this thing, Jason Jason Richardson, Uncle Jason, he helped me. Ito sungguh the best you done pa mane. Saya tur mi ko ng ding order pa mi pura release ng ding manera how you say like I'm legally bosa. Just thanks to Uncle Jason pa you dami kasi tame so yeah man.
Yeah. No stay. Seguro.
See. Got more to come. I excited. So
you mentioned Jason.
Richardson.
No. Yeah? Sumunta kanta?
Yeah.
My brother Jay?
Yeah.
No, it's a small world, man. Remember when I asked you? No, I just got the answer because I asked you if you know Jay. Yeah. So okay. So family boy. No.
Can I say something? It's like mita drinta kinahurado. Bontari to the blessings, bendición, bomesa.
Yeah, man.
One love.
You want love,
101.
No,
thanks for having us back in the place, bomesa. Continue the team back in.
Boy.
No son tabay drinta din detalles, pero yeah, King Sasa, King Nosa, pero Dios a grande.
Seguro.
Bomesa.
Seguro.
Como tata y manager di Judah. Meeting DJ Rude Boy kinang Antokiano tami ko ta party dia team Judah the Lions Den bomesa Jason Aruba Bandit to the guy nang kita kuta instrumental den lo cual Judah ta haciendo con su música
seguro
Jason asinye compa upload su música riba e plataforma nang di Bumas temra, paso ita kubumas temra.
Sí.
So Jason sinye compasi sa itura sa nang so awo isa compasi
Umi
to
kasi
sa
tulong ko na miso.
you know, so just these little small things we appreciate so much. Aruba Bandit, Timbia ora nos tinko bay kumbray beat ng sinos mo no po hanya producer ng Aruba Bandit isung kutasi sa ipanos ita contact ita bay buska ante ita contact nang. So sa kita hiyan nang kuno sa hopi no sa aprecia mas sa hopi mes. Kulo kwal ta pasando ku Juda Bomes tambe 101 kuta tambe ta instrumental din Juda su carreira musical.
Seguro. I support him
from day one. Day one. From the day by the gasoline station.
Boy.
You hear Rumble. I mean Block Baby.
Yeah, Block Baby. I hear a lot.
A lot. And Block Baby was the one that I introduced you to. So ite sung ku jainan kapa babisami Jeff dunami sa kidibya. I said no by 101 it ain't ready yet full. Pero gaya nang ki boss nante sunang kuta instrumental din Juda su carrera musical in spite of everything no sa sigi bay padilante no sa bay sigi pone lo cual nos tinko pone ay fo tur su musika nanta eting over the 50 algo cantica.
Okay.
So awo no sa basic ta releasing one by one tap tumahupi plaka upi tempo vice verse tambe Claudius Philip Jr. very instrumental or by studio
a guy down to earth.
Yeah,
no boy me tayo bochi din na.
Nós tem because documentar de Juda com eta sim ajuda para coisa com eta explica Juda passo ora a mitad by studio e tempo nei me tá trando com Claudi ora Juda tá tem 5 anos 4 anos foi 4 o Juda tem 22 so me tá trando com Claudius Philip foi tempo nei
18 years.
Yeah, so Juda tá by studio com nós tempo nei também tá baby ora me by madrugada eta ding studio com nós so awo ora eta atrás de mic Claudia tá wake tá bisa concha wake gai que tá drumi de basu kusinchi ding studio awo me tá
ding sofá ding a famous sofá
you know so awo eta bandi me tá cantando bomesa tá rap ko cena eta bisa concha wa con tempo abula so
time flies.
we just want to big up everybody who is very close, you know, who standing with us and who pushing us. And to mabisa Juda, you was born for greatness, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Orala na se no start to be say you is our superstar and you are born for greatness.
But I still remember when he was more like si algo pasé, Jesus.
Yeah.
Boy,
yeah.
let me tell you, your father. You got like an Arab man next to you, boy.
Yep.
You understand? Like we call it the Avenger family, like Vice call it.
Yes.
Yeah. No, but nice. The big question for you right now because you're not here.
Yeah.
When you coming with your next song?
Yeah, boy. Again, I tell you, boy.
Don't tell me you winning because you winning or he. You got a lot of songs. You don't want to just come outside with it
and release them. I'm going to do something with Judah. We're going to find the right beat, right? A beat correcto para lo cual me que hasi ko Judah para sa collab Para sa ito bay being siguro that just un beat meeting ko ba escucha or sa beat lang.
I got some idea ready.
Ano I can imagine.
you know when you watch yourself in the mirror, and you know when you got like the deja vu thing, like how you was small, young, watching yourself and now that you see.
Oh yeah. So the reflection, you see me and I see. Yeah.
You got to keep all of this off the media, no? Como so, portanto, mi horta no school.
True that. But one thing, congrats.
Yeah, thank
you. And we
you.
keep it up right now. We're not putting Cherry Bebolo, Judah the Lion, Omesa, and we will work to the next clip.
Yeah. Mane un señora bisa mi casa bisa Ellen. Ela bisa Ellen lagabo you sige hasi lo cual está haciendo no hope na ta wak na no ta bisa nada. Nobody get likes, nobody get views. Just hasi lo cual está hasi. Antes sai ta aqui con nossa party ba je nossa sige hasi lo cual nos tindia hasi. Antes sai ta by it's gonna pay off for itself, you know. So say te 101 that danke trope patinos and you talaga po ko Judah na. Just na in 30 pa by business ay.
So man. Always man, this is your home.
One love, bro.
All right, one love. Judah Biamas, pa bien.
Sí, thank you.
Keep it up, my brother.
Thank you.
This is your home.
Yes.
You know you got your uncle here, so 101 here. And let me work on the next stuff. coming up. Saludos para mi brother, anda beginana, seguro. Anda, ese, anteo. No stay, yo. Get ready. Cool and fam. Osa sereko e cherry on top. Judo the Lion. Bij Walkie die biari ba YouTube. Spotify namin, no?
Subscribe para mi YouTube channel. Sige push ko na.
Zeta miyo.
Sige push ko na mas pa ko na sali malihitame.
Seguro.
Sige ba follow me riba through my social media ng Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Turko, TikTok. Osa follow me di Judo the Lion ko. E bobo sa through mi kantik na riba digital platforms ng di Spotify, Apple, iTunes, tuloy ko na dus.
Seguro.
Basta danki pa support.
Check it out. Toen kon exclusive die Judo the Lion ginanang DJ101 Cool FM. Check it out, bro. What's up, boy? Bowak com t-shirt. Puntrami. Osine. Wake bom. Wake. Nós tine capa que me boa. Pode ser uma geração que começa a tocar. Você lançar a capa na onda. 101 is back. Nós está canando com 4 pia, pero de nada. Slowly but sure, nós estamos back doors. Que me já você acaba. One love. Check it out. Rumble. Judo the Lion.
If you try me, know you're gonna fumble. You 23s, yeah, I catch you in the Royal Rumble. I made mistakes. To this day, I know I'm gonna stumble. You know I'm